So in this Apple Notes app tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to format text here inside of the Apple Notes application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Notes app. Once that is done, just do whatever you want in regards to text. So for example, if I wanted to type in as text right here, this is an example of non-formatted text. Just like that. So as you can tell, very basic, no formatting whatsoever. Now, if you want to format text, for example, so let's just say, for example, you wanted to make the word example highlighted, or you wanted to make the bolded, for example. Double tap here. I can press on the A and the A, so the capital A and the lowercase a right here, where it says format right here. If I want to make that bold right here, I can make that bold. If I wanted to make the word formatted right here, I want to highlight that blue. Just like that is now highlighted blue. If I wanted to make the word this right here, for example, italicized. There you go, press on done. I have now formatted text here inside of the Apple Notes app. So super duper simple, pretty straightforward, and I hope this video helps.